Yeah! I'm a comedian, they stare at the kill cam and laugh. They don't say it, but they're thinking, how'd he do that? Pause, take a minute, regain your composure. No need to quit out, cause it's just about over. I attack close quarters or across the map. I don't even need a scope, don't even look through the glass. Got a clip of 50 cows and an itchy trigger finger. There's bodies everywhere, we need to find a grave digger. Ooh, you just got owned. You can't stop me when I'm in beast mode. I'm on fire, I'm in the zone. You can't stop me when I'm in beast mode. Everybody knows I'm a COD pro. Drop shot and kids everywhere I go. I'm on fire, I'm in the zone. You can't stop me cause I'm in beast mode. Put them on the grill, toast them with a bun. Wait a couple minutes and they're done. Eat noobs for breakfast, dinner and lunch. No need for utensils, just give me a gun. Nope, it don't matter which model I make. I take a bear, 50 cal or an L118. I can't wait, hit the switch, just press a red button. Beast mode activated, I'm running and gunning. Old school Nintendo, it feels like duck hunting. My teammates all bright, can I ask you something? Do you think for a minute you can let us get some kills? I piss in his mouth and then I call him Bear Grylls. Look here young fella, beast mode is activated. You wanna get some kills, go on and play another playlist by yourself, cause I'm a KD killer, kill streak collector, body bag filler. Ooh, you just got owned. You can't stop me when I'm in beast mode. I'm on fire, I'm in the zone. You can't stop me when I'm in beast mode. Everybody knows I'm a COD pro. Drop shot and kids everywhere I go. I'm on fire, I'm in the zone. You can't stop me cause I'm in beast mode.
I'll get you while I'm in midair spinning around. And I don't ever use suppressor cause I'm loving the sound. And I want everyone to hear when you get dropped to the ground. And when my skull goes up, my sack drops down. You can never top these shots I sink. Couldn't give a damn about kill streaks. I don't need no time to think. Quick show your face each time you blink. Peek out your dome and that ish gets popped. I see a single hit marker and the body's dropped. And now I'd like to welcome you to No Scope So Rug. Now can I serve you long range or close up your butt? It doesn't matter where I'm at as long as I got a rifle. And your survival's unlikely if you are one of my rivals. No, I don't mean to be cocky, but people call me a dick. Check out my deck size montage, damn I'm sick. And at the end of every match the haters squeal and complain. But check out the final kill cam, that's my name.
Hot dang, my sniper's hot. They come at me in groups, but I can't be stopped. I lick them easily like little lollipops. The Call of Duty king, I'm the tip of the top. Over and over you see the same outcome. Your team just lost and my team just won. I got the snipe, but who needs a scope? I'm in beast mode, baby, I'm a COD pro.